was watching his favourite show when Peppa rushed in to see him.
Uh-oh. Only one train has that laugh. It's Thomas the Prank Engine.
"George," she cried excitedly, "my new phone has arrived." "Oh," said George, and he had a look. "What are those yellow blobs?" he asked. "They are emojis," replied Peppa. Just then, there was a bright yellow flash, and suddenly the emojis jumped off Peppa's phone into the garden. The emojis began to laugh and giggle. And then they bounced away. "Oh dear," cried Peppa. "We need to go after them." Just then, they heard a whistle. It was Thomas. "Need some help?" asked Thomas. "Yes, please," answered Peppa. "We need to find some lost emojis." "Cool. Hop aboard," replied Thomas. And so they started to search. "There's one," shouted Peppa. "Quick, Thomas." The emoji jumped into the duck pond. When it saw Peppa, it hopped into Thomas's truck. Thomas stopped, and Peppa, George and the emoji all jumped out. "There's something inside it," cried George. It was Queen Elsa. "I don't believe it," said Peppa. "Let's find the other ones." The second emoji wasn't looking where it was going, and unfortunately bounced into Frank's enclosure. Frank wasn't very pleased and chased after the emoji. Luckily, Thomas was just passing by, so the emoji managed to hop into his truck. "Phew, that was close," said Peppa.
Phew!
And off they went. They returned to Queen Elsa and jumped out of Thomas's truck. "This one's got something in it as well. Let's open it," said Peppa, and so they did. Inside was Mickey Mouse. "Two more left to find," cried Peppa. The third emoji had spotted something that it liked.
Ooh.
It was following the Minnie Mouse train full of candies. The Minnie Mouse train passed by an ice cream shop, and that gave the emoji an idea.
Ooh.
It went inside the shop and came out with a raspberry ice
Yum,
cream.
yum.
"There it is," cried Peppa, and the emoji jumped on board. "It's eaten the ice cream," said Peppa. "I wonder who's inside." It was Princess Sophia. She loves ice cream. "Let's find the last one," said George, and off they went. They looked everywhere, but they couldn't find it. Peppa stood up to have a good look around when suddenly,
Boo!
the last emoji rolled down the slide, knocking George off his feet.
Sorry!
It said, and then went and had another go. "Jump in the truck," cried Peppa to the emoji, and so it did. Inside the last one was Rarity. They're great surprises, said Peppa, but I wish I had the emojis back on my phone. There was another yellow flash, and Peppa looked at her phone. They're back, she cried. This adventure has been so much fun. Thanks for watching our video. Here's another one you may have missed. Shall we get some ice creams from the cafe? Asked Masha to Peppa. It's such a lovely day today. Great idea, agreed Peppa. We might find some surprises in them. I'll go first. And she hopped aboard James. Peppa went inside the cafe and chose an orange ice cream. This looks delicious, she said to James, and they returned to the platform. I wonder what's inside, smiled Masha to Peppa. It's Rarity from My Little Pony. My turn next, said Masha, and off she went. Masha chose a banana ice cream and jumped on James. Cool, smiled Peppa. Let's see what surprise we have. It's Queen Elsa. I'm going to get a strawberry ice cream, cried Peppa, and she jumped aboard James. Do you think she'll find a strawberry ice cream? Yes, she has. I hope it's a fun toy inside, said Masha. Wow, it's Flounder! One more go, smiled Masha, and off she went. chose a blackcurrant ice cream. Let's see what's inside, cried Peppa. Shopkins Fifi flour. Well done, Masha and Peppa. What a great collection of surprises you have. Thank you for watching our video. Why not watch another one? And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.